Sindara! What we wear matters every day. Every day. Dress smart, feel good. Let's go! My body's special, I take good care. I choose my clothes with love to wear. I wear clothes that fit just right, not too loose and not too tight. I stay covered, I feel okay. I respect my body every day. Dress smart, feel good, just the way I should. Covered well from here to there, I feel proud of what I wear. Dress right for where I go, that's how I learn and grow. Covered well from here to there, I feel proud of what I wear. Shirt on top, shorts or skirt below, that's how I'm ready to go. Private parts, stay covered tight. I dress right for my age, clean and neat from head to toe. That's the way I like to go. Dress smart, feel good, just the way I should. Going to school, I dress neat and clean. Playground time, I dress for the scene. Party time, I shine and dress well for my